Hi there, students. Intermittent, an adjective. Intermittently, the adverb. Okay, if something is intermittent, it stops and starts again, and stops and starts again. So there's been intermittent rain all day. It's rained for half an hour, it stopped and was sunny for 20 minutes, and then it started again, and then it stopped, and then it started. Okay, so something that's intermittent, it's not continuous and it's not regular. Yeah, you can't say it's going to start every 30 minutes. It's got irregular periods between episodes of something. So he had intermittent bouts of coughing throughout the lesson. Yeah, he coughed for a few minutes and it stopped and it went, but then unfortunately it came back. Okay, so something that's intermittent, it's not continuous. It happens intermittently. It's always starting and stopping. It's patchy. Yeah, so he intermittently stopped to think about what he was saying, and then he continued. Okay, so this isn't something that's steady and constant and continual, but it appears from time to time. Yeah, there was intermittent sunshine during the day. Okay, so it's irregular. From time to time, it's sporadic. That's a good word. There was sporadic rain. There was intermittent rain. Yeah. So it's not steady, and you don't know when it's going to start again. He studied intermittently and got an okay grade in his exam. I think if he'd dedicated to himself more to his studies, it would have been better. So this is something that's occasional. He takes intermittent trips to France because he enjoys going there. He does this intermittently. It's when he has time, but you don't know when he's going to have time next. So that gives you the idea of intermittent. Maybe a patient is ill and they have intermittent fever. Sometimes they have fever and then not. Or maybe if you live somewhere where there are power cuts, you only get intermittent power or intermittent electricity. Yeah, sometimes it's on and sometimes it's off. That could be really frustrating. He's normally a really happy bloke, but he does suffer from intermittent bouts of depression, but they're normally quite short. Okay, so intermittent, stopping and starting at intervals, not happening constantly. Okay, so something that's intermittent. Yeah, it's not always happening. Yeah, so something that maybe is occasional, it's recurring, periodic, it's recurrent, stop go. Yeah. Okay, the game eventually was cancelled due to intermittent rain. Suddenly there was lots and lots of rain and then it stopped. Yeah, we're going to be able to play again, but then there was more rain. It was intermittent. Okay, it's something that's fitful. It's on again and off again. Yeah, these two seem to have an intermittent relationship. They get on like a house on fire at times, and then they're furious with each other, and it's off. So intermittent. It's something that happens intermittently. Let's see, formality, intermittent, a 5 in formality, 5.5. Use it anyway. It's a good word to use like that. And then as to origin, well, I'm certain this comes from Latin through French. Intermittens, sending between, inter, among or between, and mittens from mittere, to send. So to send between, to send among. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Intermittent, intermittently.